In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Site Audit in Semrush. If you've ever wondered how your website is performing behind the scenes, things like crawlability, broken links, or slow loading pages, a site audit is the fastest way to get clear, actionable insights. We'll keep this simple and straightforward so you can get your first audit running in just a minute. Start on the main dashboard. From here, look to the left sidebar and click on the SEO section. Inside that area, you'll find a section called Site Performance. Click Site Audit. This takes you to a page with a field where you can enter your domain. Type in your main website address, just the core domain is fine, and make sure it reflects the primary version of your site you care about, such as the non-www or www version you actually use. When you're ready, hit Start SEO Audit. That's it. Semrush will begin scanning your site and compiling a comprehensive report. While the audit runs, it may take a few moments depending on the size of your site. When it's done, you'll land on an overview packed with insights. Here's an example of the kind of data you'll see. You'll typically get an overall site health score that summarizes how well your site stacks up technically. You'll also see counts of issues grouped by severity, often broken into categories like errors, warnings, and notices, so you can quickly spot what needs the most attention. You'll likely see a breakdown of technical themes, including crawlability, to show whether search engines can access your pages, internal linking to highlight orphan pages, or weak link structure, and HTTPS security checks to confirm your pages are served securely. There may be performance insights too, such as large images or scripts that could slow your pages, along with core web vitals indicators where available. Common on-page findings include duplicate title tags or meta descriptions, missing alt text on images, or pages with thin content. You might also see indexing hints, redirect chains, broken links, and canonicalization suggestions, each pointing to areas where a quick fix can lead to noticeable improvements. Use this overview to prioritize what matters most. Start with the high-severity items, then move to broader optimizations that improve user experience and crawl efficiency. Even small wins, like fixing broken links or trimming oversized images, can add up quickly. That's all you need to launch your site audit. Dashboard, SEO, site audit, enter your domain, and start. Once you've got the results, you have a clear roadmap to make your site faster, cleaner, and more search-friendly.